Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to have an in-depth look at the Orzly Carry Case. The outside features dual zips, a handy ring tab, flexible carrying handle for easy transport, and a subtle logo so you can tell which side is up. On the inside is a built-in games cartridge holder for 8 of your favourite games. On the flip side, the microfiber material doubles as a screen protector. The base has soft, shock-absorbent padding. It's moulded around your Switch Lite and has cutouts for the triggers and our comfort grip case, which fits perfectly in this carry case, by the way. 2 sturdy elastic straps will hold your console firmly in place, so it doesn't move around while you're travelling. The Orzly Carry Case has 2 compartments for easy storage. A large open top pocket for a power bank, cables or wallet, secured inside with elastic, and a second zip pocket for small accessories like thumb grips and earphones. So that's our Coral Edition Switch Lite carry case, but if that's not quite your style, then not to worry. We have a whole range of colours lined up for you, so check them out. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep up to date with our latest news, products, offers and giveaways by subscribing. For enhanced grip and more protection for your console, check out our Comfort Grip Case, which is designed to fit snugly in our carry case. Or get the full set and check out our Comprehensive Essentials Kit.